Well done. This is my suitable time to practice English, to study something new. As well as I'm making this video for you. So guys, how are you all? Hope that you are spending a great time with the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also doing fantastic. At the morning time, I also listen some English videos. So listening is really, really important to improve our accent, to improve our vocabularies. We can learn something new vocabularies from watching English videos. So I strongly believe that who are good English speaker, they are also good listener. So you also have to watch English movies, English videos who make English videos very well. Still, I'm practicing my English. As you can see, this is my notebook. This is my not new notebook. I created 5 notebooks in 2020. This is the last one. There are 30 hundreds plus pages per notebooks. So try to write down something new, whatever you learn every single day. I strongly believe that if you want to improve your English journey, then you have to write down something new English every single day. Every single day, you have to write down some new vocabularies. By learning vocabularies and making sentences, you can develop your pronunciations, you can develop your English as well. So pray for me and stay connected with me to improve your English also. Allah Hafiz.